Hi there. In this quick video we'll be taking a look at these two sets. One is staple set and one is nail set from PARKSIDE. They are 3000 pieces, so quite a lot, which is perfect, and they were fairly cheap. 2 euros this and 2 euros this, so maybe I should have bought even more, but I'm not using that many, so 3000 of one type and 3000 of the other, I think it's enough. They are type 55 and type 47. I have this from PARKSIDE, which works with type 53. What the hell did I do now? Doom. Yeah, I'm an idiot. I don't know why I thought they will work with mine. I actually bought... They are too freaking tall, I think, for my device. Because they are 15 millimeters and 20 millimeters, and this one can only take up to 14 millimeters. Damn it. But you know what? If the width is correct, I'm going to freaking do a Romanian style thing and actually cut them and still use them because I bought them. I'm not going to throw them away. So yeah, don't be like me, meaning idiot, me. Yeah, check your device. Damn it. But these ones at least are good. These are what it should be. Although, look at the lengths. Are these the freaking lengths? This can only take up to 15 millimeters. Again, did I buy the wrong thing? And this can only use this and not the others. Are we cutting again? Yeah, we are cutting again, aren't we? Okay, I'm not normally this dumb, but yeah, it seems today I am. Let me see, I also have this thing that I bought and I will link its video in the description. Yeah, absolutely zero chance. This uses even, this Stanley uses even smaller size, up to 10 millimeter max. Yeah, so anyway, I bought this because normally this thing only came with a small little box like this. And I was starting to slowly go through what was inside of it. Let me get them out. As you can see, these are the sizes that we received. And I still had something like this from an older one that was somewhat similar to this, but made mostly of plastic that just crapped out. But these things are quite weak, they sometimes bend, so I decided, these are their sizes. I decided, you know what, I need to buy something better. But then I was a moron and didn't look at the size. But I think they are still in Lidl, about 2 or 3 weeks later. I saw them yesterday. Maybe they have smaller ones. And I will buy 2 sets of smaller ones. And somehow will use these ones if I really need to. Yeah, I mean, I'm an idiot. It's that simple. And I'm going to continue to be an idiot. Normally, maybe there was a small chance, although I don't think I have the invoice for these things anymore. But maybe I could have convinced somebody to let me replace them, and I cannot use them. Look at this, look at their shape. Crap. This wasn't planned at all. So they are not even tall. Being type 55, they are the wrong width. I did not freaking think about this, did I? And I mean at freaking all. And now I also opened the box, so advanced idiot, not only idiot. Freaking hell, now I'm looking at this. So type actually refers to the thickness of it. So basically mine cannot really do 1.1 millimeters most likely. It can do, which is it? So 53, not 55, and I think 53 is this, because it seems to be doing these things really well. Do I see a number on this anywhere? Nope, not really. just want to tell you, I'm dumb as a rock, but I'm still not going to attempt to replace these things. Yeah, I opened it up. Even if I hadn't, I don't still have that invoice. I could buy others and on the same invoice return these two things. I don't feel fair. Maybe it actually doesn't matter, but I still don't feel fair. A good while later, I want to see if I can somehow salvage the situation and cut these things to length and still be able to use them. So I'm using this one to cut some nails, a strip of nails. To my surprise, it actually cut them without getting significant damage, but who would have thought? Nails are hard as nails, and now they don't have a tip anymore, so no idea if they will actually go in, because I don't want to try and make a tip of them on something, as they are already coming apart from the strip. So yeah, I guess a lesson for me: next time don't be an idiot and check what you buy. Nah, not working. They are splitting apart, they are a bit bent, so not loading properly in this. I'm just risking to damage my tool, and to be even greater than that, one of them went through the side hole there, and it's somewhere inside of this thing, and it's not even moving, so it's locked somewhere. I don't dare power it on with a nail somewhere in the mechanism. Great. And obviously, for this thing being the wrong width, this cannot even load them. A good shake and it came out. Whew. So at least I don't need to open this up, and we are going to be able to only use the 750 pieces of 15mm, which will load into this thing, although, oh no, it's actually in here and it's at the max that it can take. At least these things are usable. So yeah, we'll see what I can do with these things. Maybe ask around and see who has staplers that work with these things and just give them away. And when they are the proper size, they load absolutely perfectly fine. And about the quality of them, well, they are actually good. They go in extremely easy, no problems whatsoever. But yeah, owner was a dumbass. That's the only problem. And that one is a bit too far down, but hopefully it's still okay. The nails went in perfectly, so they are really good. Only thing, idiot user, so don't do what I did and make sure you buy exactly what your tool can handle. So yeah, that's about it for this video. See you in the next one, hopefully a more cheerful one. So bye.